Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I am refilming this for about the third time, so bear with me. My birds are making noise because my daughter's feeding them because they got really loud. And we have Little House on to babysit them, so hang with me. Okay, this is my Stamps of Life kit. I want to thank, this is either the March or the April. So if you subscribe, if you will leave in the comments below whether this is March or April, I can never tell because of when we get things to our post office. I know, I know. So, but it's gorgeous. So, first I wanted to start out with look at the color palette for this month. It's got this celery green, this gorgeous yellow, a lavender, a light pink, kind of a sky blue or dusty blue, a more rose colored pink, a light blue, and then a more like grape colored. And then, of course, you get all the white paper to create card bases with. You get a gorgeous, very nice envelope, which I highly love her envelopes. If I could find a way to buy them bulk, I would. They are just fantastic, and I literally just pack everything down as we go. So with that, you also get, I believe, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, I was going to say a dozen envelopes for card making, and just so you can get the idea of the size. Absolutely wonderful. Now, let's get to the kit. All right. I mean, we were in the kit, but you know. So gorgeous, gorgeous ribbon. So you have a beautiful thin pink ribbon and then a white and blue striped ribbon. You also get a gorgeous how-to card, which is it's always great. It gives you ideas of things you can make or things that you could look at this and get an idea of what you would like to make. So don't believe you have to stick to this. Oh, it's an April kit. There we go. We have the answer. The colors of the paper were lemonade, grape, pixie, cherry, bubblegum, mint chip, sky, blue jay, and powdered sugar. So, but these give you ideas like a launching off point. So you may see something and you think, oh, I want to do it this way. Well, these just, sometimes it just helps to look at other examples. It pricks your imagination and you get to make your own. So those are invaluable. Goes right in my little envelope. I do want to, can you hear the baby guinea? The baby guinea is over there now chirping. So I know we have everything in here right now. So we had 2 guinea chicks born. If you haven't seen the other video, they were born this weekend. One of them fell out of the brooder before we could get to her. And that just had to do with the broody duck that was setting the eggs. And so my husband brought them both up and I said, that one's not going to make it, I don't think. And sure enough, but the other one is hilarious. We call her Birdie and she's in a bird cage with a heat lamp inside. Yes, we are not getting a lot of sleep, but she's inside. So, but she's absolutely charming and comes when you call her, eats out of your hand literally the same day, just as sweet as can be. So anyways, but here is the paper for this kit. I think it's gorgeous. I love this. This is just a bird print in white on that sky blue. So beautiful. The raindrops. This just says, remember this and this. And then you also have the cut aparts now. Isn't that just fun? How easy is that? So you can use the dies to cut it out. Let's see. Yeah, you can use the dies to cut this out. How amazing. So super fun, super neat. Rainbow raindrops and purple raindrops, and I think I'm going to use those for a project. There's just the smaller print of that same bird print, and then the same font print, and then that sky blue. This one's just smaller as well, smaller raindrops, and then look at the hearts, the rainbow hearts. I love that. Okay, kind of a beautiful green, and then dots, raindrops. These are the love. You can see love, and then more raindrops, more circles on circles, etc. And then it repeats. So 2-sided paper. It's a little bit over or just under 6.5 by 6 paper. Again, I wish she did a 6 by 8. I know this is what works for her, but I wish she did a 6 by 8. It would work for me better. Just saying. Also some charming chipboard images and words and our sentiments. So nice. It doesn't look to be sticky back, but that's okay because we all have our own glue and our own, our own druthers. Gorgeous little rhinestone flowers, epoxy dots, cute, 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 cute stamp. So it says, "There's always a reason to smile." I love that. You just have to find it. Isn't that a cute kit? That'd be a darling card. And then here's the birds. And the dies that go with this are these birds. So they're a dimensional die, as well as you have the exterior die. So you get 4 dies with that. Super fun. An extra thing is remember this. So you get the words remember this and the exterior die. It really is an amazing kit. And then lastly, an extra club member freebie is this gorgeous eyelet. And then the exterior die. Super, super fun. So again, let me get all this, and then we just put it down in and we pack it in. And if you're going to travel, if you're going to do something, if you want to carry it with you or your kids go to soccer, you've got it all right here. Or if you just want to keep your craft area nice and clean. So I'm just going to try to get this in here just to show you how nicely this fits in. So how many of you guys subscribe to this particular card kit? If you do, leave a comment below. I know there's a lot of people who watch these videos that are a part of this subscription series. Let me know what you guys think of it and how you're enjoying yours. I've followed Stephanie Bernard forever. It feels like I used to go and see she and her husband. There used to be the Creating Keepsakes conference here in a couple of towns over. I went every year, loved it, loved meeting them, loved their booth, the whole thing, and just loved her faith, her kindness, all the good things that came because of them. And I just have to say that, when you find someone in the industry that there's so many wonderful people in the industry, and look how nicely that fits down. So many wonderful people in the industry. If you find someone special, support them, support their work, support their business. It's such a blessing. And, tell them thank you. Tell them great job, or I really like this, or could you maybe consider that? But with everything that may come across as kind of a negative, always be sure to add 2 positives, okay? So, and for some creators, asking for something different can come across as a negative. So you need to make sure that you're giving them plenty of good feedback on what is working well for you. They get lots of grumpies all the time. And they get a lot of, let me help you correct that. Or this is what I need. So if you see something in a kit or, something that you see creators made or a line, I love talking to the creators and saying, hey, maybe not this line, but maybe your next line. I would really love, and I'm not sure if anybody else would like it, but have you ever considered maybe? And if not, no problem, But sometimes just putting a bug in their ear kind of, they love, if they're a really good creator, they love input. Yes, they love input. So, and I will tell you though, when you get overwhelmed and you get busy and you get tired, creating kits, it can be overwhelming. So just make sure that whatever you say or you ask or you encourage, that you do it with that, thank you so much attitude, that humble attitude. Okay, friends, I'm going to let you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I've been having camera problems now for the last hour, so it's so good to get it finished and get this done for you guys. And I'm excited to play with this kit. It should be really fun. And of course, I love birds, so no big secret there. So this is really going to be a fun kit for me. All right, friends, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Have a great day. And yeah, I look forward to being back with you guys. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, all that good stuff. And I'll be talking to you soon. Y'all be safe. Love y'all. Bye-bye.